Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You open the chat and begin typing the message. Do that now. Type the exact word or phrase you want to emphasize because precision matters for formatting. To make text bold, place an asterisk immediately before the first character and another asterisk immediately after the last character. Once done, you will see the asterisks in the draft. Make sure not to add spaces between asterisks and the text, otherwise formatting won't apply. This is the fastest first step to bold text. Now you apply the asterisks around the word and preview the effect. WhatsApp converts word into bold once sent or sometimes shown in the draft preview. If the bold doesn't appear, make sure there are no extra spaces or punctuation inside the markers. For multi-word phrases, wrap the entire phrase like asterisk. This is bold asterisk. Once you're satisfied, tap send. If you need to change it, long press the draft text to edit and correct the placement of the asterisks. Send the message and check that the recipient sees the bold formatting. Normally it appears as bold text without asterisks. If formatting fails, undo and retype the asterisks. Remove any punctuation touching the markers because that can break formatting. Make sure both you and the recipient run a recent WhatsApp version. Outdated apps sometimes render plain text. Finally, if problems persist, restart the app or your device. This often fixes transient rendering glitches, and then retry the exact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.